you searched how to buy shares of RF Acquisition Corp II. This video covers that process for the Nasdaq-listed company trading under the ticker RFAI. RF Acquisition Corp II is a special-purpose acquisition company listed on Nasdaq, and this guide is purely educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker RFAI to find the listing. Check that the symbol and exchange match Nasdaq, so you have located the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Review the listing details to confirm this is the RF Acquisition Corp II Nasdaq share. Make sure the company name and ticker both match. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position appears in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.